The reason why I started treatment at Envision is because I had a broken tooth in the front. Before I had the procedure, it did affect my self-confidence. I didn't want to talk because the first thing a person does is look into your mouth. I actually went into a shell. I didn't want to be around anyone. But by me coming to Envision, I must say it did change my quality of life. After the procedure, I was looking for the pain, but no pain. I didn't have to take any pain medication. I was able to go back to the golf field and smile when I didn't make a good putt. I engaged with people with confidence. I was able to communicate without trying not to smile. I wanted everybody to see the smile, and I got so many compliments. I had confidence and I had my smile back.